What can 4 minutes a day do for you? After attending my workshop, you will have a powerful exercise that you can incorporate into your day, that you can practice anywhere, anytime, without any equipment, and it only takes 4 minutes. The seminar takes approximately 2.5 hours. You will learn 5 forms that combine breath, meditation, and movement, put together in what we call a layered practice. Incorporating 4-minute fitness into your day, you will experience an increase in energy, the ability to quickly shift your mindset, an increase of balance and agility, and a strengthening of your core. I look forward to sharing this extraordinary practice with you, either virtually or at one of my live events. All is well.